Christian Medical College Vellore, CMC Vellore, is one of the most trusted medical institution in India. The medical college was established in the year of 1942. Presently, this institution is having MBBS, PG Medical, Nursing, Allied Medical courses, different courses are there. In MBBS, they have total 100 seats, but within this 100 seats, only 2 seats are there for the open category candidates. Means the student who does not belong to any category and they are outside Tamil Nadu student in all over India, for them only 2 seats are there. Now, I was going through the allotment in those 2 seats in 2024, and you will surprised to know the students who took admission in these 2 seats. One student's NEET score is 705, another student's NEET score is 701. Both the students who took admission in CMC Vellore, they easily could have got AIIMS Bhopal, AIIMS Bhubaneswar, like this institute. Apart from AIIMS Delhi and AIIMS Jodhpur, any AIIMS they would have got. Now the question is, then why they took CMC Vellore over AIIMS Bhopal or AIIMS Bhubaneswar or any other AIIMS? Because see, normally all the students, they have a dream to indulge with AIIMS, because AIIMS is having a very premium recognitions. All the students wants to take admission in AIIMS, but why these 2 students took admissions in CMC Vellore even though they would have got admissions in AIIMS, premium AIIMS? I'll tell you the reason. Normally in PG medical, means after MBBS, in time of PG medical MD/MS, if you do MBBS from any state, you will be getting benefit of domicile of that particular state in time of admission in PG medical. Generally, you will not get benefit of any particular college, you will be getting benefit of the states. For example, suppose if any student has done MBBS from Maharashtra, they will be getting domicile of Maharashtra in terms of PG medical admissions in NEET PG. In time of if you have done MBBS from Karnataka, you will be getting a benefit of Karnataka domicile candidate in time of NEET PG admissions. But there are only 3 institutions are there in India. If you do MBBS from those institutions, you will be getting the reservations. On those 3 institutions is having reservations for the student who has done MBBS from those institutions. I'll give an example. First institution is there, Aligarh Muslim University. The student who has done MBBS from Aligarh Muslim University, for them there is an internal quota in time of PG medical admission in Aligarh Muslim University. Same in Banaras Hindu University also, the student who will be doing MBBS from Banaras Hindu University, they will be having an internal quota in time of admission of PG medical admission. For in case of PG, this is a big benefit advantage for those. And third institution is the CMC Vellore, Christian Medical College Vellore. In Christian Medical College Vellore, 10% seats are reserved for the student who has done MBBS from CMC Vellore. You know what is the total number of seat in PG medical in CMC Vellore? Total number of seat is approximately 250 in PG medical. So 10% of the seats means approximately 25 seats are reserved for the student who has done MBBS from CMC Vellore, and that is the reason to take that advantage, the student, even though they would have got AIIMS or premium institutions, but they have chosen CMC Vellore for doing their MBBS. Student, myself Ayan Ghosh, I am from Careermudhra, Bangalore. If you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, you can subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon, so whenever we'll be uploading this kind of video, immediately you'll be getting the notification. Recently, CMC Vellore has started the registration for their admissions in 2025. Generally, their counseling authority is Tamil Nadu State Counseling under MGR University, but they will be having a separate registrations for CMC Vellore. The student who wants to take admissions in CMC Vellore, they have to do a separate registration by going in the CMC Vellore website. In today's video, I'll give you the deadlines of different dates, what is the total number of seats, fee structure, cut off, all the informations you will be getting from today's video. So I'll first start with the deadline. Date is online application starts 11th February, which has already started. Last date for submission application is 28th of March. You have sufficient time for that. Last date for submission of supporting document 1st of April. Last date of receipt of a certification form from minority network organization. See, in CMC Vellore, there are many minority seats are there. I'll tell you the number of seats. For that, the different kind of document is required. For that, the last date for that is 25th of April. Last date of receipt of annexure 4 for the candidate who comes undergraduate college recommendation for Christian. There are different categories are there. For that, it is 25th of April. Okay, then once the NEET exam result will come, after that you will have to upload the NEET result in this application. Right now you have to complete the application and the documentation procedure. So this is the deadline of that. Now I will tell you what is the seat matrix. As I told you, in CMC Vellore, total 100 seats are there in MBBS. Within the 100 seats, 50 seats are coming under the government quota and rest 50 seats are coming under the management quota. Now, in government quota, which 50 seats are coming, within that 30 seats comes under the complete government quota student for Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu domicile students are eligible for that 30 seats, and rest 20 seats Tamil Nadu domicile at the same time Christian minority students are eligible. This is the bifurcations of the government quota seat. Next is management quota seat. Management quota seats, 2 seats are only for the open category. In the beginning only I told you. For minority network, 38 seats are there. For minority networks, there are different clauses as there, different terms and condition is there who can get the seat in there. So 30 seats are there under the minority network, and 10 seats are there for CMC Vellore staff quota. This is also one institutions almost in India where the seats are reserved for the CMC Vellore staff's child. So this is 10 seats are there for CMC Vellore staff. Next is the fee structure. In MBBS, fee structure in CMC Vellore is almost like a government fee structure. You can see tuition fees is 3,000, one time college admission 18,000, other annual fees that is 48,345, one time payment to university around 14,985. So total the fee structure is approximately 85,000. So which is very reasonable. I mean, considering the private college, I can tell you it is very reasonable fee structure, and it is a 1-year fee, so you can consider the 4.5 years on that. Yes, another very important thing in CMC Vellore is that suppose if you take admission, there are 2 years service obligation is there. Once you complete the service MBBS from CMC Vellore, after that you have to work 2 years with their hospital. See what is mentioned here, that CMC affords the value that all its alumni will commit themselves to the service of the poor and marginalized people. Yes. Hence, the cost of education is kept at the very modest level of to prevent graduates being burdened with the financial equation. All candidates admitted to the MBBS course, both management quota and government quota, will have to undertake a service application to the work in an area of need for a minimum period of 2 years after completion of their training. They will tell you where you have to go, and there you have to work for 2 years. Okay, next I will tell you this open category. I told you in the beginning only on open category what was the cutoff. The cutoff was in 2024 705 and 7012 student took admission. In minority quota, even if your NEET score is around 500, considering the 2024 statistics around 500, still you can get the seat in minority quota in management. I am telling you, not government, management quota. You can take the seat. Recently, as I told you, the CMC registration process is starting. If you want to apply in CMC, you have to go to the website of CMC Vellore Okay, and once you go there, it will be mentioned like this way, that in admission page you have to go to the admission page, and here undergraduate degree course, you can see it is mentioned undergraduate degree course. Okay, you have to click there. Once you click in this particular portion, this window will open. Once you get this window, first MBBS admission bulletin, you can see here this MBBS admission bulletin, this part is there. You have to go through the entire bulletin for that, and here you can see candidate registration. Once you click there in admission candidate registration part, then after you will get this portions. Okay, then you have to fill the form according to the required informations, and you also have to upload the required document, and you have to make the payment of the registrations at the end. So student, this is all about CMC Vellore. Hope you understand what is the reason the CMC Vellore cutoff is so high. The student, after getting AIIMS also, they didn't take admission in AIIMS, they took admission in CMC Vellore. CMC Vellore is dedicated to provide the good medical service. That is the reason not only from throughout India but also throughout globe, patient comes there for the trusted service. Student, hope this information is beneficial for you. You can like this video if you feel this in all the information is relevant, and if you have any query regarding that, you can contact in this number regarding the admission process of CMC Vellore or the registration process in CMC Vellore. If you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, you subscribe our YouTube channel. You will be getting all relevant information for the admissions of MBBS in 2025. If you have any particular query, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. Thank you so much, students.